Now I'm about to cut the left side. Now you always have to see where the hair grows. On my model in the front, the hair is growing over to the side a little bit. So remember, very little tension is the key here. You put too much tension on that, with that growth direction, it's going to pop. Now, so you can really get a good visual of how to start your other side, so you can see where you're going. You can take your comb. Now you can actually see your line. So you take your scissor, place it underneath like I showed you, comb slightly down, get it close to that, and you can actually mimic the other side. You can see where you're going. So I'll come right in here, and I'm setting myself up so I can see the other side. Now, if you look at this quickly, I can tell that I'm going a little bit longer. So you're just going to work on this little section until you get it right. Also, it's good to come back to the other side, and instead of winging it, there are combs out there that have either markers on it or holes on it or whatever. You can come over here and you can see how far you're going back. Well, let's just place this comb in there. So you can see from the eye socket, I am basically 1, 2, 3 holes back. Why wing it? Use your comb, it's a tool. Let's take a measurement. Let's just say that's about 3 back. Come in, and you can cut your line. Make sure you're staying square, and you're fine, and you'll actually blend right in. Now, this fringe isn't going to be perfect right now. It's really going to come together after you dry it. That's when you really finesse it. Next section, following through, always where the hair grows or where it falls, natural fall, scissor underneath, and lightly use it to hold and guide you with the hair, and get right in there and cut your line. And you're working towards the back, basically 3 holes, and angle right into your fringe in the front. Another key action when working with the fringe is to really have equal dampness, because if one side's more dry than the other, this side's going to dry and pop up. And if you're using that as a reference for the other side, you're going to wind up cutting this side shorter, and then later when you dry it, it's going to be longer. So having equal dampness is really a key action.